bet you didn't know that the average coffee profits are only 10%, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So here we've got COGS, cost of goods sold, wages, overhead, and profits. So cost of goods sold are everything that goes in this little cup. That's gonna be cup, lid, milk, syrup, ads, anything like that. We're gonna go into wages. Wages at the average cafe, coffee shop, restaurant business, usually around 30%. And we're gonna go into overhead. Overhead is our rent, is our electricity, is our gas, it's our insurance. It's those things needed to keep the business running and going every day and to cover your ass. We're gonna go straight into that at profits. Profits are the money left over after all the bills are covered. So we're gonna go ahead and say for us and for most shops, cost of goods sold sit around 30%. Wages, 30%. Overhead, 30%. And that leaves us with about 10% in profit. So if I was to charge you $6 for this cup of coffee, at the end of the day, the money that is taken home to the business owners or the entrepreneurs out there is about 60 cents. And that's if all things work out. I bet you didn't know.